Hi there, let me introduce myself. I'm Kamal, and I'll be your mentor for this video. Let's dive in. Prompt in, response out. That's how most people still think of AI. But here's the thing. That model, it's already getting outdated. In this module, we'll explore the AI that doesn't wait for you to tell it what to do. It acts, it adapts, it delivers. This is Agentic AI. By the end of this video, you'll understand what Agentic AI is, how it's different from generative AI, why it's the future of automation and decision-making, and how it might reshape the way you work. So let's start with a simple definition. Agentic AI is autonomous, goal-driven AI. It doesn't just respond, it initiates. Give it a goal, say, increase website leads this quarter, and it gets to work. It analyzes data, creates a strategy, drafts campaigns, and schedules actions. And the best part? It keeps adjusting based on real-world feedback, just like a team member would. Here's an analogy to make this real. Generative AI is like a powerful calculator, but only when you give it something. Agentic AI, it's more like a personal COO. It doesn't need step-by-step instructions. You set the objective, it handles the execution, planning, acting, adjusting, without needing a prompt for every single step. Let's break it down. Generative AI is reactive. You write a prompt, it gives you output, you interpret it. Agentic AI is proactive. It sees the big picture, it creates a plan, it takes action, and it reports back to you only when your input matters. One gives you tools, the other gives you results. Here's a bold statement. In the next 12 to 18 months, teams stuck in prompt-based workflows will feel like they're running on dial-up internet. Prompting is still manual, it's time-consuming, and frankly, it won't scale. Take this example. A content team using generative AI still has to manually brief the tool, generate variations, review tone, optimize for SEO, and then upload. An agentic system, it already knows the brand tone, audience data, and campaign goals. It drafts, optimizes, and queues content for review automatically. The difference? One is a tool, the other is a system. Let's look at what Agentic AI can do. In marketing, it creates content calendars, launches campaigns, and A/B tests on autopilot. In sales, it scores leads, writes follow-ups, and triggers calls based on buyer behavior. In operations, it monitors workflows, flags delays, and auto-generates reports. This isn't just automation, this is orchestration, and it happens 24/7. Now, let's be clear, Agentic AI is powerful, not perfect. It still needs a human compass. You define the vision, you approve critical checkpoints, you bring ethics, emotion, and creativity. The best agentic systems are built with humans in the loop, not humans removed from the loop. Because the way we work is changing fast. Businesses that cling to prompt-based thinking, they'll drown in inefficiency. But those that build context-aware, goal-oriented systems, they'll scale smarter, faster, and with fewer resources. For example, a prompt-based AI sales team might ask it to write cold emails individually. A team using Agentic AI, it auto-generates outreach based on CRM data, tailors messaging by lead behavior, schedules follow-ups, and flags high conversion patterns, all with minimal human input. Agentic AI isn't just smarter than chatbots, it's a smarter way of working. Let's quickly recap. Generative AI responds. Agentic AI initiates. It works toward goals, adapts to feedback, and operates with autonomy. It's not just smarter AI, it's a smarter system. If that shift feels big, that's because it is. Check out the next video in this course to explore how Agentic AI works under the hood. This is your mentor signing off. Email me at kamal.bhatia@lincolnite.com if you have any questions.